Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of WIN token, and I will tell you my next medium duration targets, my next long duration targets, and my next immediate short term target for this token right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. Please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page of WIN token, and it is currently trading at $0.000538. Price decrease 12% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 153. Market cap of this token is $430 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $402 million. Circulating supply of this token is 7.6 trillion, and total supply of this token is 9.9 trillion. And this is the tab of the website. Just click on this, it will lead you to the website. Please do your own research before investing in this token. This video is just for informational purpose. I will not responsible any of your trading loss or any of your investment loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. This is the website. Please do your own research before entering in this token and before buying this token. Please do your own research. Let's dive into the CoinGecko page and let me please tell you some statistics. 24-hour low price of this token was 24-hour low price of this token is 0.00053. 24-hour high price of this token is 0.000636. And these are some price and market stats. This token gives 164% profit within 30 days just. It is very good profit. In 1 year, this token gives 554% profit, which is very, very good. Return on investment is 347%, which is very good. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.02%. All-time high of this token is 0.00067121. It was on March 31, 2021, just 1 day ago. And all-time low of this token was 0.00004185, and it was on March 13, 2020, about 1 year ago. This token is available on Binance, DigiFinex, BTC, MXC, and some important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. And if you want to open a leverage trading account, then Bybit is best. You can create your account by clicking this link. Let's dive into the chart and let me please tell you what are the targets right now. This is the WIN Tether US 4-hour Binance chart, and it is currently trading at 0.000546. It was rejected from 0.00068659, and now it is currently at $0.00054633. These green lines are the support zone for this token, and let me first show you what profit it gives to its holders within this month, I think so. Let me please show you. Let me please show you the monthly candle. This is the weekly chart, sorry. And let me please show you the monthly chart. This is the monthly candle. Let me please tell you. In 1 month, this token gives 258% profit to its holder, which is very, very good. Here you can see. And in 3 months, this token, let me please show you what kind of profit this token gives to its holders. Let me please show you. In 3 months, this token gives 1157% profit to its holders. This is the gain. This token gained 1157% within just 3 months, sorry. and this is the new candle. That is why I am not counting this. This is the brand new candle. The candle of the month of April is that right now, and this is just 1 day candle. And let me please show you my price targets, and let me please show you all. Please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation, and let me please show you what are the targets. And currently it is creating a bull flag. Here you can see this is creating a bull flag, and let me please do this, and after that I will show you what are the targets. Please friends, keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button for this effort. And this is the bull flag, and let me please clone this, and after that I have to put on it. $0.000837. This is our target. This is our target. Our first target of this, I think, this bull flag. And let me please show you my next targets. Let me please do this. Please note down this target. This is our first target, and let me please show you the second target. According to the support and resistance base, this will be our second target, right above this $0.000830, and you can say this is the target. 0.000919. This is our second target. These are two targets, and let me please tell you my medium duration targets for this token right now. Friend, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. It is currently in this golden pocket of Fibonacci. Is in between 0.5 to 0.61, 0.618, and this is the golden pocket. I think the immediate short-term target will be like, according to the Fib retracement, is 0.00059, and after that 0.00075, and after that let me please tell you what are the targets. I think let me please show you my medium duration targets for this token right now. I am very positive on this token. I think so this token can give you maximum gain. I think so. That is why I like this token very, very much. And this is our medium duration target. The target of 6 months, you can say 3 to 6 months. This token can hit $0.00024, and it will give you 341% profit. And let me please show you my next target. I think within 2021 this token can easily hit this, and can easily give you 0.0004 is our target, and can give you, and this target can give you 600% profit. And this is my very, very, very realistic target according to this tool, and I think this is very, very realistic, and this token can easily hit this target within 2021. This is the very realistic target. I hope so you like this video, and please, if you are new user, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please thumbs up the like button right now, and join my Telegram channel, because on my Telegram channel I regularly update, and I regularly post on my Telegram channel, and regularly post charts and information and price targets according to the charts. Thanks friends, and keep supporting me. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get this link of Binance. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. Thanks for the watching friends. Take care.